Alright guys, welcome to Kamie's Garage. We've got some special guests in the shop today. Why don't you tell us who you are, guys?
Okay. I'm Ben Edwards Layman, and I'm shadowing Cam today.
Shadowing? What do you mean?
Like, seeing what you do, and asking a few questions, and stuff.
Oh good. Well, I got a surprise for you. You're going to be my apprentice today. You're not just going to be watching me, buddy. You're going to be doing stuff.
Yay!
And actually, I have a project. I don't know if, longtime viewers will know that I got some wood from Peter at this time last year, some magnolia, and I turned a bunch of blanks from them, and this is a piece of that wood. Actually, this is a piece of that wood as well.
Wow.
So this is a piece I finished just recently in this bowl. I don't know if you saw the watercolor
I haven't watched
video.
that one.
Yeah, okay.
I saw that one.
Yeah, you watched that one? Yeah, I tried to stain this bowl with watercolor. It didn't work out too well. So I just used wood stain instead. But anyway, I figured we could make a box out of this. You can see I've already cut this in half and glued a piece of walnut in there. So we're going to turn this on the lathe into roughly a cylinder shape. And then we're going to cut it in half again and then glue the rims together. So we'll basically have sort of a cylinder shape like this. And then we'll make a lid for it, and we're going to make a nice little box. Maybe you can give it to your mom or your sister? Yay! You love your mom, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Cool. Alright, let's get to it.
Cool.
Alright, Dad, I think this turned out pretty cool, huh? What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. The smell a little too strong for you. We basically just sprayed this with lacquer. I know this is a dust mask, but we're trying to get this done before the end of the day, so we're showing you this right now, even though it's not fully dry. Yeah, so it turned out really neat. So this is just a little box. Quickly done. The finishing inside is still a little bit rough, but I think it turned out pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
So who's getting this, your sister or your mom?
Me.
Oh, okay, good. Solid. If you made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time in Kamie's Garage.
And Ben.